Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here again today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom, and today we have a wonderful topic. Talk about feelings and emotions.
Yes, it's one of my favorite topics because emotions are a big part of our daily life.
That's right. We all feel happy, sad, angry, excited, or nervous sometimes. But many learners don't know how to talk about those feelings in English.
Exactly. So today, we'll help you learn how to describe your emotions clearly and naturally.
Let's start with something simple. Anna, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling cheerful and relaxed. I had a good breakfast and the sun is shining. How about you?
I'm feeling good too. A bit tired because I stayed up late last night, but I'm excited to record this podcast.
Oh, I know that feeling. Sometimes when I don't sleep well, I feel sleepy all morning, but better after a cup of coffee.
Same here. Coffee makes everything better. Okay, let's start with some basic emotions that everyone uses. Happy, sad, angry, scared, tired, and excited.
Yes. For example, I feel happy when I meet my friends. Or I feel sad when I can't visit my family.
That's right. And we can use I'm feeling to sound more natural, like I'm feeling excited about my new job, or I'm feeling nervous about my test.
Speaking of tests, students often feel nervous before exams. It's normal. You can say, I'm nervous, but I studied hard, so I'll do my best.
That's a great example. And when you do well, you can say, I'm proud of myself, or I'm satisfied with my result.
Yes, proud is a great emotion word. Like, I'm proud of my English progress.
I love that. Now, let's talk about work feelings. Sometimes at work we feel stressed, right?
Oh, yes, very often. You can say, I'm stressed because I have a lot of work, or I'm tired after a long day.
And when something good happens at work, like getting a promotion, you can say, I'm so happy, or I'm excited for this new opportunity.
That's true. And when things don't go well, you can say, I'm disappointed or I'm frustrated.
Yes, frustrated means you feel upset because something is difficult or not working. For example, I'm frustrated with my slow computer.
I say that all the time. Computers can really test our patience.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about feelings in friendships. Sometimes we feel happy with our friends, but sometimes we feel upset too.
True. You can say, I feel grateful to have good friends, or I feel hurt when my friend ignores me.
Hurt is a good emotion word. It means you feel sad because someone said or did something unkind.
Yes. And when you make peace again, you can say, I feel relieved.
That's a great word. Relieved means you feel better after something stressful is finished, like after an exam or an argument.
For example, I was so nervous before the exam, but I felt relieved when it was over.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about family feelings. How do you feel when you spend time with your family, Anna?
I feel happy, warm, and loved. My family always makes me feel comfortable.
That's sweet. I feel the same. But sometimes family can also make us angry or worried, right?
Haha, yes. When my little brother doesn't listen, I get angry. But later, I calm down and feel fine again.
That's a good example of how emotions change. You can feel angry one moment and happy the next.
That's true. Emotions are part of being human. It's okay to feel different things.
Yes, and it's important to talk about them. For example, if you feel sad, you can tell a friend, I'm feeling down today.
Or if you feel good, you can say, I'm in a good mood today.
Right. In a good mood means you feel happy and positive. In a bad mood means you feel angry or sad.
That's useful for daily conversation. Like, be careful, he's in a bad mood today.
Haha, yes. Another fun expression is, I'm over the moon, which means very happy.
Oh, yes. Like, I'm over the moon because I passed my exam.
And if you feel sad, you can say, I feel blue.
That's a good idiom. Feel blue means you feel a bit sad. You can say, I'm feeling blue because I miss my friends.
Nice example. You can also say, butterflies in my stomach when you feel nervous or excited.
Yes. Like, I had butterflies in my stomach before giving a speech.
Perfect. And another one, walking on air means you feel very happy. I was walking on air after hearing the good news.
That's a great one. English has so many expressions for emotions.
True. Let's talk about how to react to others' emotions. If someone feels sad, what can you say?
You can say, I'm sorry to hear that, or I hope you feel better soon.
And if someone feels happy, you can say, that's great, or I'm happy for you.
Yes, being kind and understanding makes conversations warmer.
Absolutely. It's also good to ask how others feel. For example, how are you today? Or are you okay?
Yes, these small questions show you care. People appreciate it when you ask about their feelings.
Definitely. And when you answer, be honest but polite. Instead of just fine, you can say, I'm a bit tired, but okay. Or I'm doing great today.
That's a good way to sound natural. So, Anna, what makes you feel relaxed after a busy day?
I feel relaxed when I listen to calm music or take a walk in the park.
That sounds nice. I feel relaxed when I play the guitar or watch a movie.
What about when you feel stressed?
When I feel stressed, I take a deep breath and remind myself to stay positive. Sometimes I also talk to a friend.
That's a good advice. Talking about your feelings helps you feel better.
Yes, it's healthy to share emotions instead of keeping them inside.
Absolutely. And for English learners, it's a great way to practice new words, too.
That's right. You can even write about your emotions every day. Like, today I felt worried about my test, but later I felt relieved.
Or, I felt bored this afternoon, so I watched a funny movie, and now I feel better.
Those are great examples.
Let's remind our listeners, emotions are not good or bad. They just show what's happening inside us.
Yes, feeling sad or angry is normal. What matters is how you deal with those feelings.
Exactly. And when you understand your emotions, you can control them better and express them clearly.
And when you can express them in English, you sound more natural and confident.
That's true. So everyone, practice saying how you feel every day.
For example, say out loud, I feel happy, I feel nervous, I feel relaxed, and I feel thankful.
And if you want to challenge, use longer sentences. I feel proud because I finished my project. Or, I feel disappointed because my plan didn't work.
Great idea. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
So, Anna, what's one emotion word that describes your day today?
I think content. I feel content because I did my work and had a nice talk with you.
Aw, that's lovely. I feel joyful because this conversation was so positive.
Me too. And to all our listeners, how do you feel today? Tell us in the comments below.
Yes, we'd love to read your answers. Use new emotion words and full sentences.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to our podcast so you never miss a new lesson.
That's right. And if you think today's topic can help your friends, share it with them. Let's help more people speak English with confidence.
And of course, leave a comment. We really enjoy reading your stories and feelings. It makes our community stronger.
Yes, every comment and share means a lot to us. So don't be shy. Tell us what you feel and what you learned today.
Thank you so much for being part of our English Learner family.
Remember, talking about feelings helps you grow, both as a person and as an English speaker.
That's so true. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep expressing yourself.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye. Stay positive and keep smiling.
Bye-bye.